Hello, and welcome back to our channel, Ajastro Guru, where we provide the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities and financial trends. Today, we are exploring significant global economic developments, particularly how China is positioning its currency strategy in response to potential shifts in US trade policy. As of December 2025, there is growing speculation that China may allow the yuan to depreciate to counteract prospective US tariffs, which could be reintroduced under a second administration led by Donald Trump. Such tariffs include a proposed 10% universal import tariff and a heightened 60% tariff specifically targeting Chinese goods. This strategy by China aims to enhance the competitiveness of its exports and ease monetary conditions to support its economy amidst external pressures. Interestingly, China's approach marks a shift from its long-standing policy of maintaining currency stability. Recent dialogues among China's policymakers suggest a possible controlled depreciation of the yuan. The absence of commitments to a basically stable yuan in recent statements from the People's Bank of China highlights this potential policy shift. Analysts are now eyeing a potential depreciation target for the yuan, projecting it could weaken to as much as 7.5 against the US dollar, representing a 3.5% drop from current levels. Additionally, China's Politburo has signaled a more relaxed monetary policy for the upcoming year, the most significant easing in over a decade. There's also talk of temporarily anchoring the yuan to a basket of currencies, including the euro, to better manage international trade tensions, diverging from its usual peg against the US dollar. But the implications extend beyond China. A weaker yuan could heighten competition among exporters in emerging markets, including India, potentially leading to a depreciation in the Indian rupee and other similar currencies. This could result in increased import costs and heightened inflation risks, posing challenges for these economies to manage trade deficits and cost pressures, especially with rising crude oil prices. As the yuan has already depreciated by 4% since September, all eyes will be on how these developments unfold, particularly with the potential re-election of Trump. The global financial community and emerging markets are bracing for the ripple effects of China's currency policy adjustments as they adapt to new economic realities and trade dynamics. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor and analyze these evolving financial trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights and updates from Ajastro Guru. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.